Hi there, Troy Harrison, the Sales Navigator here. And today's video is just going to be a short one. And honestly, it's really to close a gap in some things that I've written and things that I've talked about. I've been talking for quite some time that if you're sitting around complaining that all your buyers want to do is text, which is a big thing. Studies show that 73% of B2B buyers now are in the millennial age cohort. And what that means is that they're used to texting as a primary means of communication. So if that describes your customer base, and if you're getting frustrated because all they want to do is text, my advice to you now and for the last couple of years has been get good at texting. And I've talked a little bit about how to do that. The key to writing a persuasive text is that you've got to be able to get a good message across in 240 characters or less. That's not natural. I mean, it's not something that a lot of us are particularly good at. I'll be honest, I hate thumb typing. I do it a lot, but I still don't like it. And sometimes it is difficult for me to get my thoughts in a format that I'm really happy with. I've said in the past that you can use AI tools to help you with this, but I've never demonstrated how we could do that. So that's what I'm going to do. We're going to plug that gap today. I'm going to give you a quick demonstration on Claude of how to create a persuasive text in 240 characters less. Okay, so this is what we did. You notice that I'm using Claude.ai. This is my preferred AI platform right now. AI is moving so fast, this could be a completely different platform that I'm using a year from now, but right now we'll go with this one. And here's what I said for my prompt. Again, remember, it's okay to have long prompts. Matter of fact, it's even better. What I'm asking Claude to do is condense and summarize. So here's what I said. Hello, Claude. I like to be polite. I'd like to create a text message. I'm a bit stuck on the verbiage, so I'd like you to help. Can you please summarize the following information in 240 characters or less in a persuasive fashion? I constructed a scenario that might have been something I'd have done back in my industrial sales days. Hello, John. As I reviewed our notes, I can see that you have three specific needs that we can help with. First of all, you need to increase throughput on your plant conveyor by 30%. Our unit can do that. Secondly, you want to reduce labor, and our automation function will do that. Thirdly, you want to reduce the noise in your plant, and by using our bearings and drives, we can achieve an 8 decibel reduction, making your plant safer and easier to work with. Don't you think it's time to get started? Can we set a meeting for next week? So I'm summarizing what I've done and I'm giving a call to action, both of let's get started and can we set a meeting for next week? So what I'm hoping, and I haven't done this one yet, what I'm hoping is that Claude is going to give me a nice persuasive text message. So let's see what Claude comes up with. Claude's thinking. All right, check this out. John, our solution hits all your targets. 30% higher conveyor throughput, reduce labor through automation, and 8 decibel noise reduction for a safer plant. Let's meet next week to get started on these improvements. Thoughts? Question mark. That's only 165 characters. That's pretty darn good. I'm not going to go through a lot of these demonstrations. What I wanted to get across is the idea that if you get stuck writing a persuasive text message, because a lot of us salespeople, we can get wordy. I resemble that remark. But if you struggle writing a persuasive text message, use AI, use your intern. Let AI help you with doing that. A lot of times it'll even exceed your expectations. This is better than what I thought it was going to be. So with that little demo, that's all I've got for today. I'm Troy Harrison, the Sales Navigator, and if this video has been helpful to you, you know what to do. Like it, share it, subscribe to my channel. Thanks. I'll see you next time. If you are an owner or manager of a company, scan the QR code for your free sales strategy review.